Welcome to Roots, Ruts, and Rods. How are you guys doing?
Thinking of hiking but don't know where to start? Well, we've been there. I used to be a gym rat. Weights, racquetball, spa days, you name it. But then life changed. We retired, moved to Guatemala, and suddenly, no gym. No problem. Hiking became our thing. And to tell you the truth, it changed everything.
Randy and I are very excited about this episode. We're going to be sharing about what we have learned in the trails as we hike. And there's a lot to learn, really, that we didn't know before. And sometimes we take it for granted. So we want to share with you the little tricks. They may be very helpful for you.
I love the gym. I could easily spend 4 hours there, lifting, sweating, and relaxing in the spa after. But when we moved here, the gym didn't come with us. What did we find instead? A landscape full of trails, mountains, volcanoes, and life. And while hiking looks simple, it's actually a secret powerhouse. I once heard a nurse saying that muscle is your retirement plan. The more you have, the better your chances to bounce back from injury, illness, even aging itself. Hiking builds muscle, and muscle protects bones, boosts energy, and even secretes powerful hormones. Plus, it's fun and cheaper than the gym.
Starting is easier than you think. Here are a few things to consider. Location. Do your research. Apps are available to show you where to go, and maps with elevation, distances, and difficulty. You don't want to get lost.
Gear. Think terrain. Wet, go waterproof. Rocky, get support. Steep, bring poles. They're not just for looks. They really help on the way down.
Time and food. How long is your hike? What is your distance? Pack snacks or a lunch if needed. But most importantly, bring water and then more water. Water is life. Food is optional. Water is not.
Yeah, people, always bring a bag to put your trash in. It's important not to pollute the beautiful places we have.
The best training for hiking, you asked, is walking. And guess what? You are already doing that. Just start with a short walk or a short hike. If you don't finish, it's no big deal. You just turn around and go home and return the next day or a day later. Don't push your limit. Remember, whatever distance you go and walk out, you still have to come back or hike back. We hike for health, but we also hike for joy. Keep it fun, keep it real, keep coming back.
We are one more time in El Pilar. We love to come here.
This is our happy place. We get vitamin G. We talk, we share. Something about being worn down by the physical activity that brings out honesty and vulnerability.
Yeah, we get to have lots of marriage conversations and life conversations, ministry conversations. And I don't know about you, but it's great to be in a place where you don't have any distractions of cell phones and social media. Because to tell you the truth, be honest, we like social media. We like to scroll and And sometimes just coming to a place like this, it's like taking a break, listening to the birds, and we get our exercise, we get to get our spiritual break and feed our souls, feed our marriage. So be encouraged. Try it. You may like it. You may enjoy it.
Yeah, come visit us. Come visit us, family!
How about some quick tips before you head out? Hydrate the day before. Let someone know your plan. Don't hike alone if you can help it. Pack your gear mindfully. Take your backpack and put your hat, sunglasses, snacks, poles, cameras, and water. And here for the bonus tips, those who stayed longer. Extra shoes in the car, they really feel amazing after a long hike. Bring a dry shirt if you're climbing and hiking. Sweat and cold and car seats don't mix well. And yes, if you're in Guatemala or any other tropical location, bring mosquito repellent. Trust me on this one, dengue is no vacation.
Hiking is more than exercise. It's exploration. It's connection with the earth, with your partner, and with your own strength. We hike because it makes us feel alive. So, if you're thinking about hiking, maybe this is your sign to start. And hey, check out our other videos where we share how hiking has transformed our life, one trail at a time.
Well, we made it to the top of Corazon del Agua. And I am so proud of us because we brought 2 young people in training to be tree huggers, just like their auntie.
Like, comment, subscribe for more travels, hikes, and nuggets of wisdom. Your adventure is waiting. Start walking. And remember, stay strong,
Stay curious.
stay adventurous.
On Roots, Ruts,
and Rocks. See you next time.
We love you, family. Come visit us.